Hey everybody, how's it going? I've had a lot of people that have been requesting me to make a video on an Elantra and an accent, so I'm going to try to see if I can take care of that today. Let's go ahead and start off with a 2010 Hyundai Elantra Touring SE. This is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Elantra Touring. Start it up, show the engine, as well as show a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And for those of you wondering also, this is the standard 4-door Elantra. It's quite a big difference from the Touring model. And there's definitely a big difference between the previous generation. And today I'm at Bob Mayberry Hyundai in Monroe, North Carolina. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. The Elantra SE is the highest trim level offered in the car. It comes with many standard features such as steering wheel mounted radio controls, leather wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, heated front seats, sport tuned suspension, and 16-inch alloy wheels. Also electronic stability control with traction control. Let's go ahead and fire her up. This one has 88 miles on it. Miles. Perfect. Nice and quiet. Starts right up. Alright, then cut on the headlights, fog lights, hazards, automatic driver's side window, and we'll check out the exterior. Very nice looking headlights, blue halo around the bulb. Chrome accenting. It's a very attractive little car. Plus, having the hatch on it, which that's what the Touring model is, there's a little bit more practicality, more storage space in the rear. Chrome accenting on the rear bumper as well. Chrome accents in the alloy wheels. Full power sunroof. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. It's got a 138 horsepower, 2-liter, 16-valve dual overhead cam inline 4-cylinder with continuous variable valve timing. 4-speed automatic transmission and a rear independent multi-link suspension. Also loaded with power everything, mirrors, window controls, locks. Full manual driver's seat, manual lumbar, lower it and raise. And we'll see how it sounds. It's not a bad sounding little car. We'll get a short little driving clip at the end to see a little bit more. Air conditioning. Simple to use. You also have your heated seat control, the driver and passenger. Storage. XM satellite radio.
Next, followed by Johnny Blue. Breaking Benjamin on right now. This is Lights Out.
Really good sounding stereo.
To order. Claim base.
Everybody love me and no one ever hated. Just try to use imagination.
It's got a good bass response. It's also MP3 compatible. It's your iPod auxiliary input. Very impressive little car. Like I said, the radio controls, cruise, and your different modes. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. Pop the fuel cap. Seats are a little firm, but you do have good back seat room. Got good back support. Not a bad amount of room for a smaller car. Back seats also fold. full manual passenger seat. All right, go ahead and move it back to its spot. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 2010 Elantra Touring. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care everybody.